Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. So today we're gonna look at the JBL Go 3 versus the JBL Flip 6 to see which one have a better audio. Again, we already know the JBL Flip 6 is gonna have a much better audio than the JBL Go 3. The Go 3 is just a very basic speaker, so we're gonna test the audio out. So it is just for fun. I did the review on the JBL Flip 5 versus the Go 3. There is a lot of comments saying you shouldn't compare both of the speakers because one of them is a high-end model, one of them is the very basic speaker. It is just a fun. Don't take it personally. So let me go through the spec for both of the speakers very quickly. So first we're going to look at the JBL Flip 6. So it is around £100. It is available in UK and Europe. If you are in US, if you do want to get the speaker, you need to wait mid of December because JBL announced that they will be releasing the Flip 6 in US mid of December. It's around £100 in UK, so it will be slightly more on US. It's coming in a lot of colors. You have red, blue, camel, pink, black, brown, so you have quite a lot of colors. 12-hour of playtime. You get IP67, so you can take them underwater for 30 minutes. It does come with the party boost, so if you do want to connect multiple speakers together, you can connect the speaker to multiple devices at the same time. So if you want to connect it to a phone and a laptop, you can connect them. 30 watts of audio output, so quite a lot on the audio. So it's a very loud speaker because the older speakers are around 20 watts, supported by Bluetooth 5.1. And we're going to look at the JBL Go 3. It is the very basic JBL model. It's around £30. I mean, quite a lot of colors. Like you have black, blue, pink and blue, camel, green, red, white, quite a lot of colors. Not only that, you get like a mixed colors as well, so you can actually pick and choose whatever you like. 5-hour playtime, supported by Bluetooth 5.1, IP67, so water and dust proofs. Again, you can take them to underwater. Audio output of 4.2, so really low on the audio output. There is a few things both of the speakers have in common. So both of them don't have a built-in microphone, and both of them come with a USB-C for charging. I forgot to mention the JBL Flip 6 is supported by the JBL EQ app, and you will get quite a lot of features. Even though it's a very basic app, you get quite a lot of features you can actually play around with. You can actually hear the difference in the audio. So now we're going to try out the audio and see which one sounds the best.
What I always feel them are run things. When I hold the crown, there is one king. Me not care when you say what you done for me. When we never take a loss, why you come for me? Oh, I don't get. What I always feel them are run things. When I hold the crown, there is one king. Me not care when you say what you done for me. When we never take a loss, why you come for me? Oh, I don't. What I always feel them are run things. When I hold the crown, there is one king. Me not care when you say what you done for me. When we never take a loss, why you come for me? Oh, I don't. What I always feel them are run things. When I hold the crown, there is one king. Me not care when you say what you done for me. When we never take a loss, why you come for me? Oh, I don't.
Damn this wretched body, it's broken down and aching, fears, and I can't seem for the life of me to hold back. Damn this wretched body, it's broken down and aching, fears, and I can't seem for the life of me. Damn this wretched body, it's broken down and aching, fears, and I can't seem for the life of me. Damn this wretched body, it's broken down and aching, fears, and I can't seem for the life of me.
both the JBL Flip 6 and the JBL Go 3, there is a massive difference on the volume as well as the audio quality with both speakers. I haven't used the JBL EQ app for this. I just want to try it out without the EQ app. Flip 6 sound much clearer comparing with the Go 3. When you come to audio loudness, Flip 6 is very loud. Again, it's a 30 watts audio output comparing with the 4.2 audio output, so it's going to be a big audio difference, because some of the speakers, when you put the audio in like 50% volume, it's good. I don't think any of the speakers I have with the Sony or JBL or Anker, none of them sound really good like on full volume for long hours, because you get really irritated with the full volume. I really like the JBL even with the full volume for like an hour you're listening to. It's really good. I'm not recommending you should do that. You're gonna pretty much blow up your eardrums. So it's quite enjoyable audio. I watch a lot of videos, a lot of songs just to see how the audio is. It's very good. No delays with audio to video. When you go into the app, you get much more on the Flip 6. On the Go 3, you don't get the option with the app, but you can actually use your smartphone EQ if you want to add more bass. If you are considering buying a JBL speaker, I highly recommend going with the Flip 6 over any speaker. I highly recommend you should try the JBL speaker out. You will see the difference in the audio. Again, this is not a review for the both speakers or which one is better, but we already know that the JBL Flip 6 is going to have the better audio. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.